Dumelang batho ba ka, kina Sithole wa Soshangane, and I welcome you back again to your favorite Bantu channel. I hope you subscribe. Today we're gonna do a Bantu language tag. I'll compare Lozi, Sotho, Tswana, and Pedi, and you guys are gonna hear a lot of similarities in these languages. Let's get it. Litsebe, tsebe, 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 mulomo, molomo, 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 mvula, pula, 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 moya, 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 utwa, utwa, kwa, utwa, bua, 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 nata, rata, 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 ima, ema, 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 zalwa, tswalwa, tswa, tsalwa, mali, 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 lumela, lumela, dumela, dumela, salahande, salahantle, salagobetse, salasentle, ndi batla kulia, ke batla hoja, ke nyaka hoja, ke batla hoja, ni kuswalele, ntshwarele, shwarele, nchware, usalibale, se lebale, oselebale, oselebale. If you enjoyed this video, follow the page. Plus comment which language you want me to compare, because I can speak any language in the world, bro. Let's get it.